Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious margarita pizza. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. You can either prepare your own homemade pizza dough, which is highly recommended for superior taste, or opt for a good quality store-bought version for convenience. Ensure your dough has risen properly, ideally for at least 1 hour, to achieve that perfect airy crust. Gathering fresh ingredients like ripe tomatoes and fragrant basil is key to an authentic experience. Next, let's create the vibrant base for our pizza. A simple, fresh tomato sauce is essential. Use high-quality San Marzano tomatoes, crushed or pureed, seasoned lightly with salt. Spread this delicious sauce evenly over your prepared dough, making sure to leave about a 1-inch border around the edge for the crust. Then, generously arrange fresh mozzarella cheese slices and whole, fragrant basil leaves over the sauce. This combination forms the classic, irresistible foundation of a margarita pizza. Now, it's time to bake our masterpiece. Preheat your oven to a very hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For the best results, place a pizza stone or steel in the oven while it preheats, allowing it to get incredibly hot. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto the preheated stone. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and bubbly, and the fresh mozzarella cheese is perfectly melted and slightly browned in spots. This high heat ensures a crispy crust. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, serving your incredible margarita pizza. Once it comes out of the oven, immediately drizzle it with a good quality extra virgin olive oil. This adds a wonderful richness and sheen. Then, generously garnish with a few more fresh basil leaves. Their aroma truly elevates the experience. Slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces and serve it immediately. Enjoy the simple, yet profound, flavors of this classic Italian dish. It's truly a culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.